Hi, I'm Mike from Excel Math. Today we're going to have an overview of our elementary math curriculum. It's used by thousands of schools and homeschoolers throughout the United States. The main component of Excel Math is this lesson sheet, and the lesson sheet is supported by the Teacher Edition, which contains lesson plans, an answer key, glossary, activities, manipulatives, and so on. We have a new product called Excel Projectable, which gives you almost all of the content of the Teacher Edition in a form that enables you to project it on the wall. The student lesson sheets can be purchased in boxed sets for class sizes of 10 through 35. If you have an odd number or just one student, you can buy an individual student set which looks like this and has all the lesson sheets for an entire year. There are three parts to a lesson sheet. The lesson instruction, that is the new concept for the day, the homework, which will be done by the student later, and on the back, guided practice, which is used to refresh and extend the student's mastery of concepts that they learned earlier in the year. Some lesson sheets have a fourth item, which I've highlighted here, and that's called Basic Fact Practice. That enables them to practice addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We have this basic fact practice on about half of the lesson sheets in 2nd through 4th grade. There are a few in 1st and 5th, but it doesn't appear in kindergarten or 6th. Not all days have homework. Fridays we don't provide homework, so we use that space instead to cover the most complicated concepts. You'll see here that we have a lesson on bar graphs and displaying information in graphs, and it uses the entire front of the lesson sheet. And finally, there's a quiz or a test at the end of every week. At the beginning of the Teacher Edition, we explain how the curriculum works. Then we provide a list of scope and sequence, meaning the objectives of the day. Here they are grouped by topic, and then they're provided in sequential order as the year progresses. Here is a typical lesson plan. We start with the objective of the day. This is the same as the first lesson sheet I showed you. Then the preparation that you'll need to do, the plan for implementing the lesson, and finally a stretch, which is extracurricular brain teaser for the student. Here is a reduced copy of the student lesson sheet with the answers shown. At the back of the Teacher Edition are additional activities that cover certain concepts that can't easily be done on the lesson sheet. Following the activity section are some manipulatives that you can reproduce as you need them. All the grades conclude with a glossary. These are the major components of Excel Math.